Earn by time on Doordash, you're probably gonna be seeing orders like this. First one, we got 11.1 miles, 45 estimated minutes. Don't take orders like this, guys. You likely to just be making no money with Doordash. And then 0.7 miles at Buffalo Wild Wings. Estimated time, 35 minutes. When you do Doordash Earn by time, you're more likely to see orders with no tip on them and with high mileage. Next order, we got Chick-fil-A, 9.6 miles. Estimated time, 48 minutes. Absolutely ridiculous. 0.4 miles, 42-minute estimated time at 54th Street. Now, 54th Street is a great merchant, but I wouldn't take this offer. That mileage is way too high. 12.7 miles at Jersey Mike's. Estimated time, 51 minutes. You're going to make less than 15 bucks an hour taking an order like this. Next up, we got 4.1 miles, estimated time, 27 minutes at Chick-fil-A. And guess what? They didn't tip. Hurt my feelings.